Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Welcome back to the boat gang. All right, we got the Jetstream out here. Today we're actually going to be continuing our nozzle test. In my previous video, I inserted a nozzle into the stock nozzle. Okay, today I made a new nozzle that goes over the stock nozzle, and I can actually insert different size and shape nozzle stems, or however you would want to word it, into the nozzle I made. Okay, and we can actually change the distance from the nozzle, maybe create a little bit of back pressure, or get it right up against the nozzle, change the flow. I don't know. It's just for fun. Not trying to break any laws of physics here. I had a lot of freaking guys saying that you can't make a boat faster just by changing the nozzle, but I'd have to disagree. Now, my approach to RC boating is tinker, test, and tune. Okay, I don't go and look for other mods. I try my own thing. I do my own thing with my RC boats. Okay, I don't copy people's stuff, so this is a completely original concept, idea. You guys can try, maybe not, maybe it won't work, maybe it will, I don't know. Let's find out. Big B with Ironclad RC. As you guys can see here, I got a few different sizes. I got some real small, thin ones that we can put in here. Okay, I actually have them like angled. Okay, some of them are angled on the inside and angled on the outside. Some of them are only angled on the inside, and you know, different size, thickness. Okay, I use different PVC pipes, different thicknesses. I've actually thinned it out. I thinned one of them quite a bit. Okay, and it's basically gonna like just insert in there, just having some freaking fun, you guys. And I can actually push this all the way forward, or I can pull it back, and we're just gonna do some testing. I got 6S in it, so I'm actually gonna start with the most obnoxious one. All right, this is the one with the bevel on the inside, and it's got that swirl pattern. All right, so hopefully you guys can see how it's swirling there. All right, so I'm just gonna basically just slide it in there, you know, nothing serious. All right, let's go. Okay, so this is the one with the swirl on the inside. I doubt it's gonna swirl the water, but just playing, you guys. Oh man, damn, it's actually quicker than that nozzle we tried yesterday. Oh. All right, let's see. Now, changing the nozzle on a boat, it will give you faster speeds. It will, man. It will. Guys are saying, I don't think changing the nozzle will give you quicker speeds. It will. It will. I don't care what anybody says. It will. Just got to find the right combination. 24. So this GPS, I never freaking use it, you guys, ever. And I may have had this on kilometers per hour the last video. It's on miles per hour now, and I got 24 just now, so I want to say I had it on kilometers per hour. I never used that one. I used my other one. So if I did have it on kilometers per hour and I was claiming mile per hour, that was a freaking mistake. So this one, this one right here, I can push it forward and back. It's going to be kind of hard to get out if I push it all the way forward, but I'm going to kind of split the difference here. Let's see what it does halfway in the bucket there. Man, I think I did have that GPS on kilometers per hour, so let's see what happens. It's an honest mistake. So, oh, okay. It's actually not bad. All right, let's bring it in. I'm gonna push it back. I'm gonna push it back real quick. Man, I get called out on all kind of stuff, you guys. You have no idea how hard it is to be a freaking creator. 25, so it's faster than our last speed. 25. Stop. Record. All right, now let's actually push it. Let's actually push it back. Hopefully it don't blow out. So I got to push all the way back on the end of my nozzle. Let's see. I don't know all the fancy terminology. I'm a redneck. This is my redneck engineering right here at its finest. Redneck engineering at its finest. Just like that freaking flywheel in the boat. I don't claim to know everything. I just claim to have fun. That's all I claim. Period. That ain't bad. All right, let's see what it did with it all the way back. Let's see if it's still in there. It is. 25 on our last run. Where's the GPS? $24. All right, so let's throw another one on. Halfway in this upgrade nozzle gave us a mile an hour faster. All the way out, we lost a mile an hour. Okay, so let's try the extended one, because somebody had recommended extending the nozzle same size as the stock nozzle, and that's what this is. So just gonna basically extend it. All right, man, I think I did have this thing on kilometers per hour. That's driving me nuts.
You did, you big dummy. You did.
That's driving me nuts. So my 40s wasn't, my 40 mile an hour boat, it wasn't freaking 40 mile an hour. It was 40 kilometers an hour. Okay. Not bad. Let's go. That's actually pretty cool. Let's see what this one did. I feel like it turns the boat a little bit more with the extended nozzle, you know? It like gives me more steering, over steering. Oh wow, 25 mile an hour. All right, let's go, let's go. All right. Record. Okay, so we tested that guy out. I don't want to keep you guys too long. Trying to do them all, test them all on 6S, you know. Let's try this one. Let's try this one right here. Try to do some clever grinding in there. Just like, it took me about 30 minutes to make all, well, actually about an hour to make all these pieces, you know. Yeah, about an hour. I didn't spend a whole lot of time on it because I kind of figured it wouldn't work. You know what I'm saying? Kind of figured I wouldn't get a good result from them, so I didn't want to spend too much time on them. Huh. I want to actually check the speed and then spin it half a turn. Yeah, 25 again. Stop. All right, so I just turned it. Half a turn here. Okay. Oh, same trim position. It porpoised. Well, that's odd. That's odd. Same trim position as I had it just now, and it porpoised, whereas it didn't porpoise a while ago. Huh. And I'm losing steering. In this configuration here, it's kind of out of control. Oh, that's weird. Ah, that's so weird. Cool test. Cool test. And like I said, it's nothing freaking serious. It's just to give me an idea which way I want to go in the future. So we lost a mile an hour. 24. All right. So now I want to test this wide one that inserts in it. Okay, so this inserts. You see that? It's beveled on the inside. Oh, this one's going to be hard to get out. Jeez. That one's going to be hard to get out. So this is the wide beveled one that I can move back and forth. Okay, so that don't feel fast at all. All right, low voltage. So I basically tested them all on 6S. Yeah, I don't think I like that one there. All right, we got 24 again. All right, so I'll finish up the video here. Don't want to keep you guys too long, but I did want to. So I'm gonna finish the video up here, you guys, at the shop. All right. Like I said in my last video, I did have it on kilometers an hour. Feel like a freaking Riri. It was an honest mistake. I usually use this one. It's always on mile per hour. I plug it into my receiver, you know, and it's always tried and true. The one I've been using the past few days, I finally got a new battery in there, and this button right here, it likes to stick, and that's the one you hold down to change mile per hour to kilometer an hour. And as you can see, it's always kind of like fuzzy, always got some moisture in there, and it's hard to see. So I do apologize, because it threw me off, threw a few of my viewers off. So honest mistake. Okay, now my little nozzle. Okay, now what I used was a 1-inch PVC pipe for my inserts, and then what I used for the outside of the nozzle, it basically just kind of clips into place. Okay, clips into place. So these are 1-inch PVC pipes. This is the 1-inch female, the female part of a PVC pipe fitting, you know, and it actually slides over that nozzle just perfect, you know. The one that has the little spin, the little like twist on the inside, that bevel cut, it didn't really do that good. But this one right here was actually kind of fun to mess around with. I think, yeah, this position, it actually did pretty good on the bow. It gives me about the same speed I had with the stock nozzle. Whenever I turned it this way, I dropped a mile an hour or two, if I remember right. And the handling was like off big time. It wouldn't turn. It wouldn't get up on plane. So that one was pretty cool to play around with. The extended one, you know, the extended one here, it actually gave me about the same mile per hour as I get with the stock one, but it actually increased my turning, you know, more turning ability, tighter turn, etc. And these right here were the ones I really wanted to play with, you know, getting them like close to the nozzle and farther apart. I actually thought that running them farther away from the nozzle, compressing the water farther away, I actually thought that was going to do better than close to the nozzle. And that's kind of the reason why I did the whole test, you know, just like I said, just a learning experience. Nothing too freaking technical, just having some fun with my bow, you know. But yeah, it was a cool test. Maybe you guys maybe to give somebody a cool idea for a 3D printed nozzle that, you know, like upgrade, like legitimate upgrade nozzle that you can actually put some high performance tips in and make them interchangeable, you know. Might be a good idea for one of you guys. So there you go. I like this boat. It's fun. Gonna get the bash ramp out next time I take the boat out, play around with the ramp. But you know, I was just kind of wanting to play. I've always wanted to do this. This is something I've always wanted to do with a jet boat. I've just never had one other than the Jet Jam, and that thing's like, yeah, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.